How to fix WhatsApp business notifications. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In order to fix WhatsApp business notification, you generally need to sync your phone system settings with the app's internal preference. Because your phone settings can override the app, so you have to check the essential as well. So first of all, you want to open up your phone settings on your device and go to the settings section and locate app from the list, and there you just want to make sure to go ahead and locate notifications or go to app notification. Now over here you just want to make sure to go to WhatsApp business notification. Go to app actually and locate WhatsApp business. Over here you just want to make sure to toggle on the notification as well, and that should also help you out. Now this mode silence all income alert as well, that is do not disturb. So you could see at the very top I have this DND enable. So if you simply swipe down, you could see this DND option. You just want to make sure to toggle the button off. That should also definitely help you out. So this way you will be able to fix WhatsApp notification not working or not showing up. You could also restart the device at the same time. So that's it. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.